everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. I just wanted to explain the video that's going to follow this. It's a series of 2 or 3 days. Basically, it's getting my perennial and annual garden that I put a lot in there. I put roses, Loosestrife, the gooseneck from that is like invasive, so I'm going to show you how to deal with it. But I'm going to do each section, but the first video here is just me cleaning it up. But I wanted to explain that. But please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Hey everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. We have a new project today. I need time to get out and get some fresh air. But I have an area that we call the park. It's basically a place where you could just come and sit and look at a lot of perennial flowers, and where I try out a bunch of my experiments pretty much with plants. But I grow a lot of wildflowers, and it's always a mess in the spring. It's worth it to me, but you need about 3 days to clean up afterwards. But some of my perennials are popping up earlier than I thought, and so we're going to clean as far as we can. And I got some good tips for what to do with some of your spring bulb foliage and all that. So let me get to work. Okay, I'm going to work on this path really quickly. I have a lot of shrubs and plants that I'm going to need to move around, but so I just want to pick up some of this if I get the roots. It rained last night, so that's a really good time to do everything. Normally I would do a hoe through here, but I got all these plants to move and I don't want to disturb the roots. Okay. Okay, I always try to get a lot of the weeds that I could pull to get the root going. Ooh, I don't know if I could do this with my arm. I may need my grandson. He's a pro at this. Try it the other way. Okay, I can almost see a path. That's almost promising. Okay, this is the coolest tool. A lot of times I go back and forth with tilling and non-tilling. Oh, I need that. Always save these. They're great to tie up tomatoes and stuff. I have a whole bunch of lamb's ears that I need to move, so I don't want to get too close to them. All right, that's one side. Now we have to do the other side. Once I could do all the way around this peach tree, it must have been really windy. I see a bunch of stuff hanging on the branches. Then I'll start going into the area. All right. Okay, can you see the difference from over there to here? All right, let me turn it this way so I could see. Yep. Okay. Okay, my battery is about to die. I even charged it. So this is the path that I semi-cleaned. But now I have to clean up. There's actually a path in there, but I want to go all the way around. So this looked the same as this not too long ago. So that took us what? 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So I'm going to go from here to here. So I'm gonna go charge this and then I'll come back and show you the end result. All right, the battery in the phone is charged. So let me show you what I've done. It's a little slower. I thought I could use some tools to do the weeds, but I had to mostly hand pick it. Oh, the sun's in the way. But we went all the way around here. We went down the path here, which is nice. But a lot of my loose leaf flowers have gone into the path there. So I'm gonna have to dig those up. And then over here, a lot of the wild flowers that I grow are still blooming, if you could see them. And that's on the path, the whole path. So I think what I'll do, let me get out of the way, it's a horrible picture, is just leave them. And then I think this year I'm gonna move them. But they're really beautiful. I just love the look every spring. And it's funny, just under this apple tree and one other section is a growing. Now this is a jungle over here. It may be another day. But see all here? I need to, oh, my hostas are coming up. Okay, the same pathway here too. All the wildflowers are blooming. I could get so far and move it, but some are still blooming. I want to wait. But I could go that way. So I'll probably stop for the day. Still have to do all this. And start tomorrow when I figure out what I want to do with some of the wildflowers. Alright everyone, I'm done. My arm hurts a lot. I can't wait for this virus to go away so I could see a doctor for my dislocated shoulder. But it looks pretty good. I have to wait for the wildflowers to die back and then we're going to move some plants around. Alright, I wanted to come out and show you the overview of what we've done. Basically, we really cleaned up a lot of wildflowers and got our beds ready to plant with some annuals or add more perennials. But the paths really turned out nicely. So in this park, we plant with a lot of roses, a lot of sages, and lilies, so many things. But it's really a nice place just to come to sit and to just think. I have a lot of fruit trees in here. So, okay. Okay, so this is just basically it. There's still a few more places. You could see the wildflowers. They're just beautiful. This actually will be a walkway. I'm going to leave these, I thought about it, because they die back and you really don't see them on the path anymore. And they are really beautiful. I mean, it's just like a few weeks and that's it. So this is the park. This is how far we got yesterday, and then I'm going to take each section and break it up and have a plan. I'm going to put a lot of foliage plants in here. Oh, look, all the hostas are coming up now. Okay. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe, like, and share. And please ring the bell. That way you get notifications of new videos.